Okay. Tristan, can you say apple?
Apple, apple, apple.
Can you say oatmeal? Can you say diaper?
Apple.
How about dirty?
Okay.
Good job. Good job. Can you say no?
No.
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 Alright, good job. Can you say duck?
Duck.
Good boy.
Duck.
Yeah. Can you say please? Please?
Apple.
How about banana?
No.
How about banana?
Nana.
Nana. Can you say hi? Bye bye. Oh.
Bye bye. Bye.
How about hi?
Hi.
Hi. Good job. Can you say Mary?
Mary.
Mary. Can you point to your nose? Where's your nose? Yeah, good job. Can you give me some beautiful eyes? That's a big eyes. How about beautiful?